Khona abantu aba-talented engeke ngifunda ama-manuscript abo but basaba ukupublisha ngenxa yokuthi i-resilience abanayo. Uma usupublishile abantu bazokhuluma ngombhalo wakho, so ba-talented. Uma ufunda umsebenzi wabo like wow, omunye wakhipha incwadi eyodwa mhlawumbe wathola i-negative comment, akasafuni ukukhipha ezinye iy'ncwadi. Resilience, 15 books. Are they all perfect? Noma zonke zibe perfect? No, but I keep writing. Ngicela ukufunda lena mfethu enye uvelile Precious Maphisa lona uthi yangithinta Bhuthulane umuntu mayesho into e-negative game angilokho ngiphendulana naye ngiyangiqhele eduze kwakhe. Yo mfethu yazivuma khona ama-message ongathi basic kodwa they critical. I-message yanamhlanje even nale promotion oyisabayo it's because of resilience, because every level ozongena kuyo kuzoba nama-negative voices nabantu mfethu obathandayo mfethu bakhathalele bazosho izinto eyi-negative. Yonke level uNkulunkulu mezokupromote kuzohlezi kunama-voices, but i-resilience will always go back to the mirror and say, this is who I am. Yes, I made a mistake, but this is who I am. Yes, ngithole i-red card kwadliwa i-team, but this is who I'm not defined by my failures. Khona abantu kuzomele bazi leyo nto namhlanje ukuthi you are not defined. What God has instilled in you mfethu is bigger than anything. And in you njengoba sikhuluma ngamasosha omzimba, lento yamasosha omzimba iyangifascinate. Because they are put there to fight everything that comes to destroy. Even mentally, you need to develop that vuma. You need to develop vuma because ngikhulume ngama-comments are-positive awu-50. Eyodwa comment can destroy and nullify all the 50. Just one comment. 50 comment are positive, kube khona eyodwa negative. Uma ungenayo i-resilience. Abanye bethu asithanda ukuba kwi-public eye, but we are forced to be here because of the gift that God has put in us. Kodwa masofika la singenayo i-resilience, ngizobe sengikufonela Vuma ngithi ngikhathele ngicela ungeze next Monday. Ngoba khona i-comment esengiyitholile. But i-resilient izothi bangaka abantu ababenefitayo mola. Bangaka abantu ababenefitayo mola. So wena uzophazanyiswa ile comment eyodwa. Awukahle wena.
Ivale, sithola